Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Vietnam veterans looking for work in the early 1980s. People are more honest with strangers when they know they will never meet again. Kurdish fighters in Iraq 1970s. Most first impressions of strangers are formed within 7 seconds. Stars don't twinkle until their light passes through Earth's atmosphere. You are more open to strangers when you are traveling. It's called the vacation effect. Driving a car to the nearest star at 70 meters per hour would take more than 356 billion years. A new study on rats shows that excessive consumption of junk food may disrupt brain chemicals essential for forming memories. If Earth were the size of a tennis ball, the Sun would be a sphere 24 feet across, approximately zero point 0.5 mile away. Francis, a comic book artist for Marvel, was diagnosed with ALS after losing the use of his arms. He learned to digitally paint using his right foot on an iPhone. When he could no longer use his feet, he continued creating art with eye gaze technology. In Gujarat's Chandan Ki, families don't cook at home. A shared kitchen hall serves tasty meals to all. Just 2000 monthly, it's not tradition, it's love. To eat the toxic meat of the Greenland shark, Icelanders let it rot in the ground for several months. It is then hung to dry for another 5 months. Small cubes of the white rubbery delicacy are served on toothpicks. A wolf orca shapeshifter explained away as wolves' tracks disappearing into broken sea ice later morphed into a sea monster. That is one really big cactus. A bizarre coastal creature resembling a beaver pug hybrid. Michael Jackson often wore elaborate disguises to escape the spotlight and enjoy life anonymously. He even used impersonators and voice changes just to experience a sense of normal life without being recognized. A diver in 1968 saw a monkey faced underwater creature with human eyes and strange propulsion, never seen again. When bushfires ravaged New South Wales early in 2020, Operation Rock Wallaby airdropped thousands of pounds of carrots and sweet potatoes across devastated wilderness areas to feed the endangered brush-tailed rock wallabies who had survived but lost their natural food supplies. One tree can release up to 380 liters of water vapor per day through a process called evapotranspiration, cooling the surrounding air as effectively as 5 to 8 air conditioners. What's the difference between a yacht and a super yacht? A study shows that oxytocin, often called the love hormone, may help regenerate heart tissue after injury, offering a promising new approach to treating heart attacks. Frogs don't vomit, they throw out their whole stomach, clean it, and swallow it back. They form lifelong bonds, share food, and nurse strangers' pups. Vampire bats starve if their friends don't feed them, more altruistic than some humans. The Japanese have been harvesting wood for over 700 years without cutting down forests. In Switzerland, it's illegal to wash your car on Sundays. Social media is training us to compare our lives instead of appreciating everything we have. No wonder so many people are depressed. Chinese scientists developed a fabric that cools in sunlight using only light reflection. Without myostatin, muscle cells grow and multiply uncontrollably. The result is a condition called myostatin hypertrophy. Myostatin hypertrophy is not limited to animals. A Vietnamese boy named Hoang Nam was diagnosed with it at age 6 after developing visibly large muscles. Dogs can have it too. Wendy the Whippet was born with double muscling and weighed around 27 kg, double the weight of a typical Whippet. Eddie Hall, who won the 2017 World's Strongest Man, reportedly has a genetic advantage involving reduced myostatin levels, aiding his extreme strength. Though rare, this gene mutation appears across species bulls, kids, dogs, cats, even strong men, showing how one missing protein can drastically change muscle growth. 5 signs your body may be lacking key vitamins. Cracks at the corners of your mouth, possible deficiency, B vitamins, iron, zinc, what to eat, tip. Tingling hands or feet, possible deficiency, B6, B12, folate, B9, what to eat, tip. Poor night vision, possible deficiency, vitamin A, what to eat, tip. Brittle nails and hair, possible deficiency, biotin, vitamin B7, what to eat, tip. Mood swings or depression, possible deficiency, vitamin D, omega 3, B complex, what to eat, tip. Thanks for watching.